Look at that. Look, and they're driving right by. They don't even know what they're missing.
Well, it didn't used to be that way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. 40 years ago, that interstate down there didn't exist.
Really?
Yeah. Back then, cars came across the country a whole different way.
How do you mean?
Well, the road didn't cut through the land like that interstate. It moved with the land, you know? It rose, it fell, it curved.
Morning. Nice day, huh?
Cars didn't drive on it to make great time. They drove on it to have a great time.
Long ago, but not so very long ago, the world was different. Oh yes, it was. You settled down and you built a town and made it live, and you watched it grow. It was your town.
What happened?
The town got bypassed just to save 10 minutes of driving.
Time goes by and time brings changes, and you change too. Nothing comes that you can't handle, so on you go. You never see it coming when the world caves in on you, on your town. There's nothing you can do. Main Street isn't Main Street anymore. No one seems to need us like they did before. It's hard to find a reason left to stay, but it's our town. We love it anyway. Come what may, it's our town.
How great would it have been to see this place in its heyday?
Oh, can't tell you how many times I've dreamed of that. But one of these days, we'll find a way to get it back on the map.
Yeah. Hey, listen, thanks for the drive. Had a great time. It's kind of nice to slow down every once in a while.
You're welcome.